Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Fortnite mic and voice chat not working on Fortnite. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, press escape, then press on the gear icon, and then go to this little sound icon here. And then make sure that your main volume is not muted. Here, make sure that it's 80 or more. And also voice chat also is not muted, it's 80 or more, right? And then scroll down until you see voice chat. And make sure voice chat is not on off. It can be friends only, teammates only, and friends, or everybody. It's up to you. What you want. Then make sure that voice recording is always on or off when possible. It really doesn't matter. And then voice chat method. This select open mic or push to talk. But do not select mute. So push to talk will be, you just need to press specific key to open up the mic and talk. And open mic will be just, you don't need to do here nothing, just talk and your friends or teammates should hear you, right? And on voice chat input device, make sure it's on default. If it's not working on default, set up the exact microphone. For me, it's Microsoft AT Nano. And then on voice chat output device, also select default. If it's not working, then select the specific headphones that you're using. And then it's about it on the game itself. You need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then you just need to close the game. Then go to settings. Then go to Windows Update. Check for updates, and if there is an update for you on your operating system, you just need to download and install it, right? And then go back on Epic Games, Epic Games Launcher, and on Epic Games Launcher, you need to go to library, find game. Fortnite is now running, so I don't have this option, but just close the game, go on the three dots, manage, and verify files. And then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then you need to go to settings. Then you need to go to just here, right, sound settings. Make sure that output is the right headphone selected. Also, it's not muted, and microphone also selected the right one. Then you just need to select more sound settings. And on the playback, make sure that headphones is set to default, the ones that you're using. Right click on it, go to properties, levels, make sure it's not these headphones is not muted as well. Here, and also it has the proper sound. And then you just need to deselect this option here and apply the changes, right? Same thing with your microphone. Make sure that your microphone is set to default. Go to properties, listen, levels, make sure it's not muted, and advanced also. Just deselect this option here and look if the problem persists. And if the problem persists, then just enable these options as well on playback and recording, right? And if it's not working, what you need to do here next is to go back on sound, go to volume mixer, run the game, and make sure that Fortnite should be here when Fortnite is on and you on volume mixer, and make sure the Fortnite is also not muted here and it's on default or on exact your headphones and your mic. And if it's not working, the last thing that I suggest you to do here is to open up Device Manager. And on Device Manager, you need to look for sound and video and game controllers here. And what you can do here is to update all, right? Search automatically for drivers and update all here. And after that, what you need to do here, you just need to go to audio inputs as well and update all the drivers. And also audio processing, also update them all if there is an option. So go to audio inputs and outputs, audio processing objects, and sound and video and game controllers, and update all of it. It will take you a couple of minutes, but it will be worth it, right? And after that, you should play the game with sound, and your voice chat and your mic should work, right? So that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.